Hi everyone, so let's solve the next question in the SQL 50 series, which is rising temperature. In this table, we have a table called weather, where we are given the temperature on each day. What we have to do is we have to find out the days on which the temperature was higher than the previous day, immediate previous day. So let's see the sample input and the output. So over here we see that on first my temperature was 10 degrees, second it was 25 degrees, on third it was 20 degrees, and on fourth it was 30 degrees. So on second my temperature is higher than first, so my second should come in the output, and on third my temperature is lower than the previous day, so this cannot be in my output. And on the fourth my temperature is again higher than the immediate previous day, so this should also come in the output. So hence my output is 2 and 4. We have to print the IDs of such dates. So let's start writing the query. Select ID from. So in this question, we have to compare two dates, but we only have one table, so we'll have to perform a self join. In a self join, a table is joined with itself, and self joins are usually used where there is a hierarchy structure. So over here my hierarchy is the dates: yesterday, today, tomorrow. So this becomes a hierarchy. So let's write the query. So I will do whether my first table is A and I'm joining it with itself, and my second table, let me call it B. So these are my two tables, and over here my join condition is that first of all any two dates, the difference between the two dates should be 1, because it is written that we have to compare it with the immediate previous day only. So for this we have a function called Datediff, in which we have Datediff. What it basically does, it tells us the difference between two dates, so we can find like how many months are between two dates, how many years are between two dates, how many days are between two dates. So first we write the parameter that how many number of like days, weeks, years we want. So we need to find out the number of days, so hence day. And my first date, so my first date is say record date, and my second date is B, the second table's record date, and this difference should be 1. So my first condition is that, and my second condition is, so okay, first let us simply check the output of this condition. So we can see that what is the output of this self join. So over here you can see the dates, the temperature on that day, the second date, which is the next day, and the temperature on the next day. So hence my second condition will simply be B dot temperature should be greater than A dot temperature, because my second day should be higher than the first day. Hence, like, this part is the B part and this part is the table A part. So B dot temperature should be greater than A dot temperature. And in the select statement we need to output the IDs only. Hence we need to mention b dot id, because yeah, I uh, require the second day's because second day's temperature is greater, and those id we need to output. Hence my select statement will be select b dot id. So let's run it and see. Okay, so our solution has been accepted. Now let's submit it. Yeah.